Hi everybody, it is me, Corrie Sommers, your local Los Angeles luxury realtor. Today we're going to be discussing the stimulus check that you've been promised. Stay tuned for more information. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please take a moment to do so at this time by clicking that subscribe button below, as well as the bell for updates. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, it is me again, Corrie Sommers, your local Los Angeles luxury realtor. Now, most of America is watching the news because of the coronavirus, because most of us are under a stay-in-place shelter order, right? So for most of us, we are aware that there is a CARES Act and that there is a stimulus check that's supposed to come to everybody from the IRS, right? Well, let's talk about that for a minute. Now, you might be wondering, when am I going to get this alleged check? Are people receiving the check? I can actually tell you I do know someone who has received the check, and it was directly deposited into their bank account. Now this was because when they file their taxes, all of their refunds are directly deposited. The IRS has their banking information in order to do so. But you might say, well, I do my taxes and I have my refunds directly deposited. What's the status of my check? That's what you really want to know, isn't it? Well, now you can actually check online. The IRS has updated their website. So you can go to irs.gov/coronavirus/get-my-payment. That's right. Just go to the irs.gov/coronavirus/get-my-payment. Now, from there, you'll be able to check on the status of your check, of your stimulus check, right? A couple of things about that, though. What you might not realize, or what might not have been clearly explained, is your eligibility is based on the filing of your 2008 taxes as well as your 2009 taxes. So let's say you're a single person and you made over $75,000 in 2008. Well, then you're not eligible. I'm sorry, not 2008, 2018. Then you wouldn't be eligible. But let's say in 2019, you didn't get the same amount of bonuses or package at your job that you normally get, and so your pay decreased a little bit. Maybe you're at $60,000, which would make you eligible. However, if you have yet to file your 2019 taxes, they're only going to go by your 2018 taxes. So that's something that might make you currently ineligible for the stimulus check. Something to be aware of that I don't think most people are really kind of processing. This is a check that's basically an advance on your tax refund and the next tax filing. This is not to be confused with free money. This is simply an advance. Now, the IRS is actually doing a really good job about their website and their whole systems and processes, and they even have an app that you can get from their website and download so that you can check on the status of your monies. Now, again, the Get My Payment portal, it is available to everybody at this time, and for most people that check is about $1,200. They're expecting to disperse this to about 80 million people in America, and the IRS website will really help you with up-to-date information as to the status of yours. And it will also let you know if you're not eligible. So that's something to be aware of too. And again, I just want to backtrack. You might not be eligible based on 1 year. So if in 2018 you made an amount that makes you ineligible, but your income maybe dipped a bit in 2019, you might want to talk to your tax preparer and get those taxes ready and in, okay? I know there's an extension in place and most of us have taken advantage of that, but you might want to press the gas on that so that you can get that stimulus check. If you're in need, if you're doing okay and you don't need it, then by all means, don't worry about it, because again, it's just an advance. It's not free money. Now, just a couple of quick things I want to mention again regarding the stimulus check. If you are single and you earned under $75,000, then you're most likely going to see $1,200 of a check. They started dispersing these funds on April 15th, and then the paper checks will be going out on April 24th. So if you do qualify, I'd start expecting it around the first week of May. If you are married couples who earn below $150,000 will also be receiving a stimulus check. So you guys know where your income's at and where you where you fall into this, right? One last thing. You might want to update your personal information if you've moved since 2018 or 2019. So when you're on the IRS website, go ahead and look for ways to update that so that your check doesn't get lost in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll see you next time on the next video. Until then, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below, as well as the bell for updates. I'll see you next time. And of course, why don't you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and all your comments are always welcome.